If you're a writer looking for a solid software to help organize your thoughts and draft your next masterpiece, Atticus might have caught your eye. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's find out. Atticus is designed specifically for writers, boasting features that cater to both novelists and non-fiction authors. Right off the bat, you'll notice its clean and intuitive interface. It allows for easy organization of chapters, scenes, and notes, which can be a game changer for those juggling multiple ideas or storylines. One standout feature is its ability to manage different formats, making it easier to switch between writing styles or prepare for publication. You can outline your book, set writing goals, and even track your progress all in one place. However, there are areas that feel a bit lacking. For instance, while the interface is user-friendly, some advanced features could be more robust, and if you're someone who thrives on extensive customization, you might find it a tad limiting. Overall, it seems well suited for those just starting out or looking for a straightforward tool, but some seasoned writers might want more depth. Let's break it down. On the positive side, Atticus offers a sleek design that makes navigation a breeze. The ability to track progress and set goals is fantastic for motivation. Plus, it supports various writing formats, which can save a lot of time when preparing for publication. On the flip side, some users might find the feature set a bit too basic. Advanced writers may miss certain tools that other software provides, like in-depth analytics or more intricate formatting options. Additionally, while the pricing is reasonable, it might not feel justified to those who write infrequently. In terms of trust, while the platform has a solid reputation, the lack of extensive user feedback could raise some eyebrows for cautious buyers. Overall, it may be best for novice writers or those looking for a simple, effective solution. In conclusion, Atticus is a solid choice for new writers or those seeking a straightforward writing tool. If you're after something with more advanced features, you might want to explore other options. But for a clean, user-friendly experience, it's definitely worth a try. Happy writing!